Bitcoin plunges to 10-month lows, and Celsius Network is at the forefront of the market's collapse. Tron's algorithmic stablecoin is fighting to survive. Near Protocol brightens the day with a useful new integration, and Binance US has a class action lawsuit on its hands. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we are here to bring you the latest crypto updates for your trades and investments. And as early investors in the crypto space, we do have an eye for potential opportunities that we want to share with you. Altcoin Buzz Access Pro is a hub for direct info on early gems, technical analysis, NFT mint opportunities, and more, with plans starting at $99 a month. And you can sign up below or right here with the link on the screen. And please do smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons so you're always up to date with our news, deep dives, and great offers. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's get over to the news. Well, either you're still picking up your jaw from the ground or you've been waiting for this correction, but Bitcoin has dropped to $23,000 and crypto sell-offs have been popping all day, with the total market cap dropping below $1 trillion for the first time since February 1st of 2021. Look at the sea of red across nearly all top 100 cryptocurrencies. This new Bitcoin price action has set a 10-month low, even lower than when Bitcoin dipped during the Terra crisis in mid-May. Many analysts have been calling for a bigger correction, and this overnight 16% drop in Bitcoin might be it or the beginning of it. And as for triggers, there's still much of the same fear, uncertainty, and doubt. They've just been mounting for so long. The Russia-Ukraine crisis, rising inflation, supply chain issues, and so much more have been tipping the scales for international stock and crypto markets. And the US Federal Reserve will be dropping an update on policy for raising interest rates soon. And it could be the final nail in Bitcoin's coffin to see BTC's bottom. But the biggest reason for Bitcoin's dump is in our next story. Celsius Network has collapsed, and it's one of the biggest triggers that has sent Bitcoin off the rails. In a memo to the Celsius community, the CeFi lender says that it has paused all withdrawals, swapping, and transfers between accounts because the platform is facing a liquidity crisis and is trying to reposition itself for the long term. Celsius says that the move is an attempt to stabilize liquidity and operations, as well as protect assets on the network. But the market's volatility may have gotten the best of Celsius, with CEL tokens plunging by 60% to 14 cents before a relief bounce to its current 30-cent range. But the strange part in all of this is that there may have been a transfer worth of $247 million worth of wrapped Bitcoin, and even an unspecified amount of Ethereum may have been moved off of DeFi platforms like Aave to the FTX exchange. Now, this may be Celsius Network's way of handling its liquidity crisis, but the red flags and trauma from Terra are hard to miss. And the kicker is that Nexo, a major Celsius Network competitor, has offered to step in and take over the network and its qualifying assets by June 20th, including any outstanding collateralized loans. So who knows, maybe in a week Celsius will either have a plan or a new name. But to get a better idea of what the coming days could look like, you should read our in-depth article about the situation and watch our Celsius Network video to decide for yourself whether or not it's game over. This market crash may have claimed another stablecoin. Tron's USDD algorithmic stablecoin is on the rocks after facing a depegging at 97 cents today. The Tron DAO behind the newly minted stablecoin was forced to inject USDD's reserves with $700 million of USDC stablecoins that it received from an unknown source. With this lump sum, the Tron DAO says that USDD's collateralized ratio has been boosted to 300%. But there's more. Tron founder Justin Sun tweeted that his smart contract platform will be deploying $2 billion just to fight the consequential drop of Tron's native TRX tokens from being shorted at a negative 500% ABR on Binance. Sun even says that he doesn't think this fluctuation will last in 24 hours, but only time will tell. In some positive news today, Near Protocol has become the first non-Ethereum virtual machine chain to integrate with MetaMask. And that means that users do not have to make a separate Near wallet to be able to access and hold the protocol's assets. MetaMask is now compatible and can run Near dApps directly, and this is a huge step towards interoperability. But to get more details on how the integration went down and all the perks that it brings, then you need to read our latest article on the subject that you can find at the top of your screen and in the description. And lastly, as if things couldn't get any spicier for Binance, the exchange's US subsidiary is now facing a class action lawsuit for allegedly listing and selling UST and Luna tokens illegally and not registering them as securities. The suit was filed by a group at BAM Trading Services Inc. in California this morning, and the suit stems from Binance falsely advertising Terra stablecoin as safe and fiat-backed, as well as allegedly failing to comply with federal and state securities laws. This is the first instance of legal action in the United States after Terra lost $40 billion in its collapse last month. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. So how are you coping with today's market drop? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, please smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons to get all our latest content. And have a look at the other updates and deep dives on our channel. Here's some videos to get started with. As always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thank you for watching and see you next time.